Hello people, so today we will talk about Google Sheet and the way how we can edit the Google Sheet documents that is in view only format or comment only format. So here let's just open the Google Sheet application right away, and then you just need to open the documents here. So I already prepared the documents for us today, which is this balance table. And you'll see there will be information pop up here, which is the view only, so means that you will not gonna able edit any single of cells inside of this document. Even whenever you click this way, click the cells, click the bars here, you will not gonna have an ability to edit it. So if you want to edit this document, you just need to go click this three small dot and request the edit access into the document's owner. Then you just need to wait until the owner give you permissions to edit the documents. But if you want to really do this editing real quick, you just need to do this instead. Go click the share and export and make a copy, and then the application will start copy every single information of the documents, and then you will have an ability to edit the documents just depending to your need. You just need to go click this area, and then you just need to change the informations here. So that is the way how to edit the view only format, and it also will work the same on the comment only format. So hopefully you enjoyed this video guys, and let's meet again in the next tutorial.